This has been a long week of editing and deadlines and all that fun stuff involved in photography and filmmaking. So today I decided I'm going to take a little break and head down to a local beach and kind of just kick back and shoot a seascape and enjoy the sunset. It's kind of my thing I do every so often when I need to just reset.
Better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun and rain and trust in letting go.
Here I was just walking along, and lo and behold I stumbled across this composition with the setting sun behind it and this rock perched here on the beach and the water rushing up and over the sandbank behind it. It's pretty striking. So I'm gonna set up and shoot this image at sunset here. I gotta go quick here because I'm losing the light. So here we go. ISO 100 f11, 10 seconds. Once again using my self timer because I forgot my shutter release cable. But what are you gonna do?
There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering before you make it safely to the end.
You know, it's funny, it's like coming down here, making a photo is never really the goal. I mean, that sounds silly to say. I mean, yeah, in a way it is, but you know, it's been a long week. But you know, it's necessary to come down and just kind of breathe for a little bit. Take in the air, the salt, watch the birds, watch the waves, just witness the earth move.
It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering before you make it safely to the end. Before you make it safely to the end.